So I found the plate, and this size mason jar worked good, and this created a good seal on the plate. So I just got a couple drops of watercoloring, food coloring in this, and I did blue because one of the Capernaum kids has a real aversion to the blood of Jesus. So much so that when they do communion at his church, he will drink water instead of the grape juice. So I didn't want him to have a problem with that, even though this blue represents sin. And so just like all the other videos and blogs talk about how you talk about we're in the midst of sin, Jesus came to walk alongside us, and talk about the cross when Jesus says it is finished, not I am finished. What was he referring to? And he talked about how he took the penalty of sins from us. And then you can see Jesus taking the sin upon himself. The candle goes out, his life is extinguished, and you can keep doing this, and it gets about 90+% of the water, and it has a pretty fun wow effect. And then I pick up the penny to show them that we can be free from the consequence of sin because Jesus took it. So that's how I did it, and you just want to really experiment to find a good combination of plate surface, and how it connects with a jar. And it does sound like the bigger the better. And you want a candle big enough so that it's not, it won't float up. Like a little tea light would probably just float around inside the jar on top of the sin. So that's how I did it, and you can see how it's, you got darn near most of it. Hope that helps.